How to transfer from Wise to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be teaching how you're going to try transfer from your Wise to your personal bank account. So, to do these steps, it's quite easy. What you're going to do is you're going to come to your Wise and you're going to create an account for yourself, may it be your phone app or even from your laptop. So, let's say I'm going to come here and I'm going to go ahead and click on send money now, and I want to send from US dollars into, let's say, PKR. Let's go to that. So yeah, let's go with 1,000 US dollars, and it says that I'll get this much PKR, and it also gives me their fees, their conversion rates, and a whole lot more. So I'm simply going to go ahead and click on get started. Now, once you've created an account and everything, it's going to give you three options. So you can send it to a recipient, yourself, or a business account. So choose recipient, and once you choose recipient, this is what you're going to get. You're going to have to add details of the recipient. So what you're going to do is they're going to ask the bank, okay? It could be a Union Pay card, Alipay. It depends on the region you're selling it in. So obviously, if you're selling it in Chinese yen, you're gonna get Alipay, Union Pay card. If you're selling in USD, you're gonna get all the other US banks. So once you get all of this, you're gonna add the person's correct emails, their details, their bank details, IBAN, name of the account holder, card number, and once you add all of that, you should be good to go. So that's pretty much about it when it comes to transferring money from your Wise to bank account. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.